Every village has a story. Every story deserves to be told. Welcome to Authentic African Village, where every meal has its tradition story. Every tradition has a meaning, and every village keeps a history that few people ever get to see. Today, we step away from the modern world to discover the beauty of traditional cooking. How do villagers cook without modern technology? When many people think about Africa, they imagine what they have seen on television or what they have heard from others. But Africa is far more than headlines, far more than stereotypes. It is a continent filled with stories waiting to be discovered. Every journey begins with curiosity. Today, we leave behind the noise of everyday life to discover something simple, something real, something authentic. Behind every village, there is a family. Behind every family, there is a tradition. And behind every tradition, there is a story worth preserving. These are not performance. This is everyday life. Simple, beautiful, authentic.
birangiye ariko coye
Sometimes the greatest adventures are not found in famous destinations, they found in ordinary places, seen with new eyes.
Inde? Uzaza kunyishakira? Siwumva ko ubonye umugabo sha utirutse. Wow. None se wagiye kuvoma muri ino? Datumubuza ubwenge. Ese ubunje nta bwenge nzi koko nuza? Nawe mwese murabuze. Gusa wowe nyine. Umuntu uzi gukora ko ubugira ubunebwe. Abantu bagira ubunebwe simba nuko. None se kuki utari gukora? Nuza ratajya kuvoma iwanyu. Bityo. Batanga amafaranga. Akabido gatoya. Bro, ive ni hiya. Akabido gatoya. Sinzi n'ikintu cy'umugabo. Amushyirire mu.
This is why authentic African village exists, to tell the story that deserves to be remembered, to celebrate culture, to explore nature and experience adventure, to learn from people whose wisdom has shaped generations, and to discover the true heart of Africa. This is only the beginning. There are countless villages still waiting to be explored, countless traditions still waiting to be shared, and countless stories still waiting to be told. Join us as we travel across Africa, one village, one adventure, one story at a time. This is just the first chapter. The journey has only begun. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We hope you enjoyed discovering how villagers cook without modern technology. At Authentic African Village, we believe every village has a story, and every story deserves to be told. Show your love and support by subscribing, likes, share to your friends and family, and see you in the next video.
Biganza